Hi, and welcome back. This is our final lesson. You are now an emergent writer. As you can see, it was quite a journey, but you have become what's called an emergent writer. You have writing confidence, you know how to write sentences, you know how to structure paragraphs, and you know how to write an essay. And all you're going to do from this point on is get better, okay? So today, I want you to download the PDF, the final draft, and follow this format. These are just suggestions and ideas that you got to use. The first sentence must be indented, right? Every sentence must contain a noun and a verb and a period. So you're going to double check your sentence structure. You're going to use adjectives and adverbs and other parts of speech throughout. You're going to put in examples to demonstrate some of the supporting ideas. Your conclusion will mirror your introduction. Your intro will have a hook. Your concluding statement will be in the conclusion. You're going to spell check everything. You're going to make sure everything is stated the way you want it. If you need to add on, now is the time to do it in your second draft. In your final draft, you're going to turn in a polished, finished product. So this is going to look like this. This is your final essay. This goes into your writing portfolio, your rough draft, and your second draft. This is what you're going to turn in. This is your intro. This is your conclusion. Your topic sentences. Set it to sentence structure. Indent the first sentence. And you have a superior essay. If you follow this format for every paper, for every writing assignment your teacher gives you, you will always be at the top of the class. So, what I want you to do is download your certificate of completion. You are now an emergent writer, okay? Now, you have the website address. Contact me anytime you like, and I'd be happy to talk to you, work with you, and improve your skills. You're ready to move on, become a competent writer, and then eventually a proficient writer. It's been a pleasure being your instructor, and I look forward to seeing some of your work.